In Photoshop CC, we have an option named Content Aware Tool, and almost on each update it is getting more stronger and better. It is very useful. Instead of using manual tools like clone stamp, healing tools, healing spot or so, you could remove any subject you like by using Content Aware Tool. For example, I want to remove this tree here. Simply just select it. Go to Edit menu, Content Aware Fill. The left side, it is the original, and by the green color showing which areas we get as a sample, for example like that. And the right side, it is the final result. It is almost perfect, but still, if you need, as you see your brush set already for subtract, you could simply remove any regions you don't like to get as a sample. Maybe these regions, and immediately you will see the result. I think we need remove more, you see, or hold on the Alt or Option key and add to your sample. I think removing any information is not close, it is gonna help us. However, it has many options like scale, mirror, color adaptations or so. For example, in this case, as you see, color adaptation high, it is much more better, and press OK. An interesting thing here is generated a new layer, so you didn't lose any original information. For example, I could zoom. Maybe I don't like some edges. Simply I could enable eraser tool or using mask and start remove any unwanted areas. Let's work on another project. For example, maybe here I want to remove one of these. It is very useful, especially when you need to make not very repetitive texture. And always make sure you have a rough selection with outer information. Never select very accurate close to your subject. Maybe something like that. It is useful and great. Go to Edit menu. Again, Content Aware Fill. It is not bad actually, but as you see, extra informations make it a bit visible, so it is not so clean. I remove any extra information I don't like. I remove them all. We just need actually few yellow wall. Release your mouse to see the result. As you see, it is getting much more better. Still, we have much more extra information, so better to remove them. Better and better, almost perfect. And still you could hold on the Alt or Option key and add more samples. You could make your brush like regular brush smaller or larger and add any extra information you need to take sample. I think it is perfect. Press OK and done. Interesting thing here, because it is too repetitive and similar, you could hold on Alt or Option key and drag for any similar surfaces to remove. Maybe just some small cleanup. That's it.